Good morning, you guys. Oh, my teeth is pearly white this morning. As you can tell, it's early in the morning. It is the time. It is now 9:12. That's the time it is. It's 9:12. This phone about to die. I gotta charge this phone up. So today you're gonna see some clips from yesterday, I think, of our new pet. His name is Malachi. I call him Mally Mal. I call him Mally Mal, even though his name is Malachi. Let him go. Let's see. Not him eating on shoes. Here he comes. Say hi. This is Malachi. Yesterday he was kind of little. So today I'm probably gonna take him another bath because him stink. I'm gonna try to get some footage of us being out today. I want to take him to the dog park, but I do want to take him a bath. Oh, he's ready to go use the potty. So yeah, go use the potty, Mally Mal. So yeah. Oh, I didn't even introduce myself. How rude of me. But hey, hi, welcome to the Shannon family channel. The Shannon family channel. I have my own independent channel. It's Symanthah. Well, it's not it, but the channel name is Symanthah Cashel. The original channel name was The Shannon. I don't know why I named it that at first, but like sometimes if you put in The Shannon, it will Malachi, it will pop up. But I don't think I have really much planned. I have to drop orders off. I have to finish printing out some orders. I have to send some orders off because I do graphic design. And I also make graphic flyers for people. So I have a bunch of those to drop off. I have to finish printing them. Y'all, my printer broke. My $200 printer broke. I literally specifically bought my printer for this reason. And it broke. Literally, I've used this printer not even once. Literally, when I took it out the box was the first time that I even got to use the printer. And that's a shame. Because HP, what are you doing? And then also with HP, y'all, once you sign up for HP Instant Ink, and you don't want to be a part of Instant Ink anymore, you can't use your printer to print anymore. And that makes no sense. Like, they are able to take control of your printer and actually prevent it from working until you put a card on. So like, you always have to pay for Instant Ink. So what I want you guys to know, like, do not pay for the Instant Ink because it's a scam. It's a scam. That's it. It's a scam. But yeah, on today's vlog, not really gonna be doing much. I'm gonna let you guys see me packing orders because I already have a packing orders video on my YouTube channel. I have to film some more videos for recording. I mean, for my main channel. So yeah. So I'm gonna take you guys around with me for today, because I think we're gonna have to take Malachi to the vet because he needs his shots. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do today. I already ate breakfast. I had some McDonald's. I had a McGriddle and some hash browns and some Gatorade. My Gatorade's over there. I need to finish my liquid chlorophyll because I still do take my chlorophyll for my antacids. But for my acid reflux, that video is up on my channel as well. I need to also do an update about it, which I'm gonna probably try to get in today. But we're gonna see how this vlog goes because I don't know how to really vlog. Because I've only did one vlog, which was my ATL vlog. But we're gonna see. But yeah, welcome to the Schannon family channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm going to be daily posting on this channel. So I'm going to have to figure out some things to do. So yeah. See you guys when I get to wherever I'm going. I look tired, y'all. Okay. Good morning. What today is? But the date though. Alright, y'all. So this is my first daily vlog. And that's how I'm gonna do it. So y'all, today is Tuesday. It's about 10 something in the morning. We had to drop our son off at the groomers, Mr. Malachi, to get bathed and trimmed and brushed. Oh, excuse me. And so now we're waiting at Rudy's. It's a barbecue spot, y'all. Let me tell y'all about this place, okay? It has chopped beef sandwich, tacos. So I got mine with eggs, chopped beef, and cheese. Even though I'm not supposed to be having dairy. But I really don't care. Oh, I should have got it with potatoes. Okay. But yeah, so I got 3 of these. So yeah. I don't know what else I have planned for today. What we got planned for today? We might take Malachi to a dog park or something. That's a slim chance. He just got bathed.
Oh shit, no.
So.
They're not doing this Wednesday. Today's Wednesday. Hey, Wednesday.
Oh, no.
That's how you know we're tired.
Yeah, like I'm tired. Oh, I may get to finish waxing today.
Spoiler alert. Nope.
Yes, I am. But yeah, y'all, we just gonna be here eating until they call us to come pick up Malachi. Just know, y'all, Malachi's bad. Okay, like we planned like a lot of things for y'all, and they all fell through. So like in this vlog, I'm gonna be introducing y'all to Malachi because I have not gotten enough content to introduce Malachi. But yeah, I see you guys when we actually pick his ass up from the vet. Okay, you guys, so we're back. And let me tell y'all, I went to Small Cakes. Oh shit. Oh, language. I went to Small Cakes, got me a red velvet cupcake. And then also, we went somewhere else. I'm gonna show y'all in a few minutes. But I'm gonna eat this little bit of this cupcake and I'm gonna tell y'all how it is. That kind of tastes a little funny. I think because it's alright, y'all. That's it. So we're gonna get a bite of the cupcake. You're really supposed to eat your cupcake like this. You're supposed to take it in half. Let's do this. You're supposed to make it a sandwich. Who would have thought? Okay. Alright, I give this thing a 10 out of 10. Y'all, go to Small Cakes, for real, for real. Bitch here. A little dry. much so dry. It's giving dry. Hey, where's the thing so I can put it right here? The car. You don't have it? I thought I seen it in the car. You do the way? Oh. Okay. Well, this is gonna make my phone hot. So I'm gonna put y'all guys right here in front of me. Does this mess with anything? Okay, y'all. Perfect angle. Oh, wait. So y'all, we went to Specs and we got us a bottle because we're gonna be doing a video. Me and the special guest that I'm gonna be bringing onto the channel. Oh, excuse me. We went to Specs. Oh shit. Well, I didn't know I had a Specs card, but okay. Well, I earned points today. Alright, so we got this new tequila that just came out. It's 100% agave. This came straight from Mexico. Y'all, this bottle is the shit. I'm not even gonna lie to you. This is a fly ass bottle. Y'all want me to take a drink of it right now? That hoe say drink responsibly. But yeah, y'all, we went to Specs and got it. Y'all, for y'all don't know, I'm over the age of 21. So now we're going to just go drive around. You want to leave a comment? Okay. Buff, they call us while we in the shooting range. We have to pick him up immediately. You just want to go sit over there? They should be calling in soon. She said an hour and 30 minutes. I don't think they've called me. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna come back to y'all because I gotta see if they called me about Malachi. Okay, so they haven't called us about Malachi yet. So now what I'm finna do is I cut my fucking lip. I guess, because they said 2 to 3 hours, but the girl said an hour and 30 minutes. So what should I do? Go home? Go home? Alright, y'all. So we about to go home. Give us a little jam session.
Line in. Please say a command.
Bluetooth audio.
Bluetooth audio.
Okay, so I'm gonna give us a little tunes while we on drive. I really don't know how to get back home. I don't know how to get back home, so hold up. Y'all, yes.
Hey, yo.
Ain't this what they've been waiting for? You ready? It was telling Mary the game, and I say, yeah, I do. If you want it, you gotta see
You
it.
said turn left
Got shorty, she tryna bless
and then
me.
turn left.
Said I chew like a nigga sneeze. Nigga, please, for the trick, squeeze, I'm getting green.
I'm I'm gonna let you make it today.
In between and what we started. Little nigga, but I'm lying hearted. They love me when I was stuck and they hate it when I departed. I go and get it regardless. Draw like I'm an artist. I don't say a word. I don't say a word.
Knows that gets on my nerves. Put on your seatbelt. He hates when he don't. He knows I hate when he don't put on a seatbelt. Y'all, he don't like wearing the seatbelt. Seatbelts are important to wear. Seatbelt saves lives, so wear the damn seatbelt. Oh, shit. Bam. That was wrong as a motherfucker. That was bad. Okay, you guys, so we're here at PetSmart getting Malachi. He's not ready yet. They said he'll be ready in about 10 to 15 minutes. So right now we're just sitting in the car. I'm gonna have to move my phone so it don't overheat again, so bear with me. Push out right here. So now me and Ashton is going over our for his vet appointment next week, just going over the different vet Mickey options. And then if they said that they can't do this one. Yeah, I'm not that bad. But yeah, it's almost time to go get the son. He ain't ate all day. Oh, and I was talking to her about him not gaining weight. And maybe he has worms. She said they'll test for that when he comes to his appointment. You know, just take him and drop him off. But yeah, you guys, we're just waiting for Malachi to be done. Because I already paid for him. All we just gotta do is just go in and get him. You want to go get him? No, I probably gonna have to what? Probably to pick. I think I'm gonna pull me up a little drinking drink when we get home. Want to go get the son. I already paid. I just gotta bring my receipt back in and show that I paid. Alright, you guys. I'm going back in to get the dog. See y'all when I come back, y'all. Huh? You? The people spoke. He don't want to go. He don't want to talk, y'all. Okay, so see y'all when I get back with Mally Mal. Look, you guys. Look who we got from the cleaner. This is Mally Mal. Him is a Labrador. He's 6 months. Ooh, excuse me. He's 6 months. He smells so handsome. You ready to go home and eat? You ready to go home, baby boy? Oh, you want your cupcake? Guys, we got Malachi, the cupcake. You like it, Mally Mal, don't you, Mally Mal? Oh, that's good. Okay, honey bun. Okay, we're gonna go home now, you guys. Let's get back to this jam session. And then once we get home, we're gonna get Malachi situated. And then we're gonna go take a shower and we're gonna head to our next destination. I ain't telling y'all where we're going, cause I'm scared. I don't even think we're gonna make it there. Cause I'm scared, okay? I'm scared. I'm just gonna say that, I'm scared. Okay, so let's go. Mally Mal. Mally Mal. See y'all when we back when we in the house. Alright, you guys, so I'm back. Oh, excuse me. I'm back in the house. It was spicy outside. Very much so. It's hot. So yeah, it's very much so hot. Tired. It's too hot to be outside, actually. I'm finna go take a shower. And yeah, I'm gonna go take a shower. I want to take a nap. Can we take a nap? What time you gotta leave? Good morning, you guys. It is the next day. What I'm finna do is I'm finna get up, take Malachi outside. But I was editing the vlog from yesterday, and I just want to go ahead and close that video out. We ended up going out to eat. We first went to Landry's, but Landry's was a no-go. Then we went to then we went to, what's that place called? I don't know what that place is called, but that's where we went. I don't remember where we went after that, but it was Papa Seafood. It was pretty good. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and close that vlog out from yesterday so I can start today's daily vlog. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that first vlog. I'm gonna be daily vlogging for you guys, but I'm also gonna be putting up some other things. Like I'm gonna be doing a nighttime routine, daytime routine that goes up on my main channel, but on this channel it's gonna be like mostly vlogging. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the family channel. And I hope you got, oh, excuse me, I don't know what's going on with me. I'm still tired. As you can see, my eyes, they are tired. I'm tired. But yeah, I hope you guys have a, oh, excuse me. But yeah, I hope you guys have a great rest of the day. Thank you for stopping by. So yeah, I just hope you guys enjoy the rest of y'all day.